Welcome back, fellow techies, to our latest tutorial video. I am the Technician Project. Today's tutorial is going to show you how to screen record on Quicktime Player whilst recording your webcam. Now, this function is a bit complicated in Quicktime Player, but once we break it down, it's really simple. So we're going to load Quicktime Player first, and it's just here. And it doesn't load when you click on it, so you need to go to File, and we're going to start a new movie recording. So when you start a new movie recording, this box pops up which shows the webcam. So this is me, and this is our movie recording. So this is picking up our microphone and our webcam. What we're going to do is we'll reposition this in the bottom right hand corner of our screen, just like that. So that is set as our movie recording. But you are going to question now, but that's not recording your screen. So you then go to File, New Screen Recording, and this will give us a screen recording. As you can see, it's picking up audio on here and down here. So we will select the audio on the movie recording and make sure it's picking up our audio, which it is. And then we go to our screen recording and make sure it's picking up the same audio, which it is. So we need to make sure they're both in sync, which they are. We're going to then start our screen recording, which will record our screen. Now, you can do a screen recording in one of two ways. If you start recording, it will ask you to click on your screen to do the recording, or do a selection of your screen. If you do a selection within your screen, you will only record that selection and it won't have the webcam in it unless you do your selection with your webcam in. So we're going to do a full screen selection today. So you can either click or drag like this, or you can do a full screen recording. So we're going to do a full screen recording, which will do our entire screen. As you can see there, it's now recording us in the bottom right hand corner and my screen. So we're just going to go to a web browser, which is down here. And there's our web browser. And we're just going to scroll through this. And as you can see, it's showing my website. It's showing all our recent videos. And you can see me in the bottom right hand corner. Perfect. That's working a dream. But as you can see, the web browser is overlaying the movie recording. So we want the web browser to be underneath the webcam, the webcam. We go back to Quicktime Player, then go to View, and we want to click Float on Top. By clicking Float on Top, we can move our web browser around the screen, just like that, and it will move. It will keep the webcam floating on top. Perfect. Now, if I was to press this button here to make my screen really big, my webcam disappears. What Quicktime Player is doing is it's recording the screen. Now, because you've gone full screen, it will only record everything on the screen. So you need to be aware that if you go full screen, this big green button here, that you will lose your webcam. So we're going to go back to our webcam now. So the best way to do it is you just double click and it will expand your document, expand your web browser, and your webcam still stays at the bottom. Now, there's one issue with recording with a webcam via Quicktime Player. If I hover my mouse over the bottom right hand corner, it shows movie recording. In other softwares, it wouldn't do that. OBS, it wouldn't show you're doing a movie recording at the bottom, but we're doing a movie recording, so it will show that. So what we're going to do is we're going to press stop on our QuickTime recording. There's two ways of doing that. You can press the big stop icon in your taskbar at the top, or you can do Control Command Escape, which will stop your file. Once your file's stopped, as you can see, it pops up as a QuickTime movie. So let's just put that down there and then just minimize. So that is our movie. We're going to remove ourselves from the bottom just to stop confusion. And we're going to play our movie back. Now, as you can see here, we are in sync because our audio was recorded through QuickTime Player screen recording and not through the movie recording, but our audio is synced up with the movie voice. So as we're speaking to the screen, but we're actually over the webcam at the same time. So it works, it syncs up really well. Because QuickTime Player has created you a file here, we want to go to File and save our project. Once you save that file, you have then created a screen recording with a webcam. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more. And also, ding dong that notification bell to get further updates. Thanks again, goodbye.